Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about save birds. Let's start. Birds spread seeds and pollinate plants. They are important in plant reproduction. They control pests. There are many advantages due to birds. But birds are facing tremendous challenges to their survival. Birds are facing the problems due to humans. Humans are damaging the natural habitat for birds. Many birds are killed due to collisions with human structures and equipment. They are dying due to pesticides and pollution. Birds that mistakenly eat plastic trash can become ill or even die. We should protect birds. Some of the ways by which we can protect birds are use natural pest control, reduce pollution, regulate hunting, etc. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.